So how do you not use the iCloud on the iPhone? Let me guide you through some ways you can make that work or not work, better said. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and let's get started. So whenever you get inside the settings and at the top of the list, you have your profile and that is your Apple account, which is absolutely necessary to use the iPhone to get apps and all of that. And this is also attached with the iCloud account. So when you expand this, you will naturally have the iCloud right here, and you can see the breakdown of the storage situation. And since you don't want to use it, I assume that you are only on the free 5 gigabytes plan, and you can in here see what is taking up the storage. So if you want to stop using this, first of all, I would go below and expand the option which says saved to iCloud, and in here I would just turn off all of these things, right? So when it comes to saving emails on the iCloud, if you don't want that, turn it off, right? And then you go app by app, then you go to the notes, health, and all of the other applications. And if you essentially want to stop using iCloud altogether, just turn it off for all of those things, and everything is going to be saved locally on the iPhone. So even some third-party apps have their toggle in here, and that's how you can manage it. But to come back to the storage breakdown, you can as well see some things which are already stored on the iCloud, and you can delete those. For example, existing backups or photos, you can decide that you delete them. Just keep in mind that there might be some useful data which you will be getting rid of. So if there is anything important, just make sure to save it somewhere else. But then you can most definitely remove everything from your iCloud and stop using this altogether. So I hope it helps. If you have some other thoughts or questions about this, use the comment section below. It's possible I'll make more tutorials about this topic, and yeah, I'll see you later in the future uploads.